Okay, now start it. No, look at that. It started fine now. It's running fine. And it does very well for the Wizard of Oz. It's pretty much the one we saw in the Wizard of Oz. So if you need a tornado, and now the nice thing in virtual worlds is you can actually need a tornado. In real worlds, we don't need a tornado.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it to wander around, Mike?
Can you destroy buildings?
Well, I told him it should head towards the nearest trailer park.
You're right. Okay. Yeah, then it's got lightning. It's got a bunch of good lightning.
And with the dinosaur underneath, it's nice.
Oh, the dinosaur actually and we're not. I'm not seeing any lag at all. I got a low frame rate, but it doesn't matter. I probably would have. There we go. There we go with the trash ball. Mm-hmm. That doesn't seem to be bothering T-Rex at all.
Too dumb to be scared.
Mm-hmm.
So, Mike, can you tell us a little how you achieve that?
Let's see.
Well, I'll do it in chat so Min can.
Okay, if you want to write it in chat, then I will read it aloud. Made a cylinder in Blender. Mm-hmm. And okay. Deleted the top and bottom surface. Now that's the shape of the tornado. Subdivided the top and bottom ends. I think you're talking Blender now.
Well, subdivision is a old computer graphics algorithm.
Okay, yeah,
Vertex.
I grasp, but I'm not sure everybody will. But that is all right. If you're working in Blender, you may have to talk in Blender. And then he mapped the material and moved the edge looped and scaled them. Okay, to make the Venturi shape. Mm-hmm.
From my class, I told him that you should UV map early and often, like voting.
And okay, and of course I'm guessing the rain is particles. No, the rain is actually the rain is particles in texture form with textures, because we saw that when it was first dropping. I'm guessing the clouds are also particles. Yeah, the way they're moving out, I see them. They look like they must be particle effects. The lightning, I'm guessing, is simply textures. Is that right? Scaling after mapping allows the texture to move at different speeds along the mesh tornado. The lightning is its own mesh that moves around and flashes. Oh, the rain and cloud debris is okay. Yes, the rain and cloud and debris is all particles. which we are accustomed to using. Mm-hmm. Okay, anything more to tell us about? Do we have any more information? This is made in Blender, just in case anybody may have missed that before. Sound comes in two sound files. Okay, well, there's one for the lightning and one for the wind, I suppose. Mm-hmm. The rain and the wind and the cow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Very good.